At the end of this video, you'll see how I took this frizzy mess and revived it into this beautiful, sleek, blown out moment. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, we're washing the hair. To wash the hair, I'm using the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate shampoo and conditioner. This stuff is the GOAT, honestly. Like, I love using this for my extensions, my wigs, whatever. I don't particularly love it for my natural hair. That's another story. Anyways, you can see on the inside of my cap, I have a ton of gel. I got my little tape to conceal my part, make it look more natural. My little elastic thingy here. Anything that's unnecessary inside your cap that can be removed, take it out. And then we want to brush the wig out, starting with the ends and then working our way up to the top to avoid breakage. Go ahead and get that hair wet, and then we are shampooing. Now, to be honest, I did go a little bit overkill with the shampoo. It's really not that necessary to use that much, but this was my first time washing this wig, so I wanted to get a good wash on it. And since I did have makeup on the inside of the cap, I wanted to make sure I had enough product to work inside the cap as well as obviously the rest of the hair. So making sure I'm getting all that makeup off. We need to wash the inside of our cap just as well as the rest of the hair. So once we rinse that out real good, obviously I cut out parts, you guys, but I was probably rinsing that out for like a full 3 minutes. We're moving straight on to conditioner. Be very heavy-handed with the conditioner, okay? Especially if you want your wig to last a long time. I'm gonna let this conditioner sit in here. Oh yeah, we're brushing it out, but then I'm gonna just twist it up and then let it sit in a little plastic bag for about 30 minutes. Once that 30 minutes is over, we'll go ahead and rinse it out and she will be looking gorgeous. But I really love to do a deep condition on my wigs whenever I wash them because I feel like this does make them last a lot longer. Once you've rinsed out your wig and it is completely free of conditioner, I like to wring out my hair, just get out any excess water. So I pop this on my little wig head, and I am using a product here that I'll tell you guys about in a second, and also my little mermaid hair wand. So the product that I use, by the way, none of this is sponsored, you guys, but the product that I use is by Color Wow. I saw this on an ad. It's supposed to be anti-humidity, like the best product on the market. So that's what we are coating the wet hair in before we're blow drying, because apparently this hair is not straight naturally. Found that out the hard way when it was super humid out. So anyways, you can see I am curling my hair away from the face, quote unquote, and I'm doing this over and over again until the hair is super dry and super curled at the end. You'll see once I finish blowing this out how gorgeous the hair is. Every time I do this style on my hair, I get the best compliments, and people really think that it is my natural hair. So I absolutely love this blowout brush. No, it's not a Dyson Airwrap, but girl, she does the job. So I'm gonna put you guys on. And you can see at the bottom like how gorgeous that curl is. It looks stunning. That's what we're going for. So we're just doing one layer at a time. Once again, adding that Color Wow on and then doing the blow dryer brush and blow drying away from the face. This was a tedious task, I'm not gonna lie, but it is so worth it, and I highly recommend doing it while the hair is still wet because then it'll really help hold that curl at the end and it'll look absolutely stunning. Popping back in, I decided to do something that I don't normally do this time around, and I am adding just 2 fat Velcro rollers to my bangs just to make sure that they're staying really nice and swoopy. So I'm just adding a little bit of heat again and then applying those rollers. Super easy peasy. I just kind of left them in there for like 5 minutes. I didn't even do anything crazy. But guys, look at how gorgeous the hair is. Look at how stunning that is. I told you that little curl at the end is beautiful, and I did layer this wig, by the way, so that's why the curls are giving. Anyways, sorry for this horrid lighting, but I did want to just do a little bit of hot combing on the scalp because it was looking a little bit wiggy, especially since I just blow dried the F out of it and I was mostly adding volume. So I just want to make it a little bit flatter to my head, make it look a little bit more natural. You know what I mean? And then one of the things I really like to do, I feel like this just changes everything. I just do a little bit of lift at the root in the front of my bangs. And you can see I kind of left a few baby hairs down just so it looks a little bit more natural and that lace isn't super exposed, but it gives me that gorgeous lift. And that's pretty much how I wear my wigs all the time. This is how I refresh them. This is how I maintain them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, look at this shine. Look at the hair. Look at the little curls. Like, I absolutely love it. I will keep you guys updated on the color wow situation to see if my hair still curls up when it gets humid out. But that is all for now. I will leave you guys to the outro. Okay, babes, that's the end of my video. Just a little reminder, you can always leave me little video ideas down below that you guys want to see. Before you guys leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.